Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 11th. I am here, Manzoor Ahmad Dar, lecturer English Boys Higher Secondary School, Langate. Today, I will try to teach you poem 3 from your text Hornbill. It's on page number 41. The Voice of the Rain. The Voice of the Rain is a poem written by Walt Whitman, and it is a conversation between the poet and the rain. Dear students, let us read the text of the poem. Who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which tries to tell gave me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal, I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed altogether, changed and yet the same. I descend to leave the draughts, tummies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me was seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever by day and night I gave back life to my own origin, and make pure and beautified for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering. Wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. So, as I told you, the poem is a conversation between the poet and the rain. There are two verses that are of the rain and that are of the poet. Here, and who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower. And who art thou? Art means are, thou means you. They are archaic words, no longer used now, but originally art means are, and thou means you. Who are you? Said I to the soft falling shower. Here I is the poet, and he asks the soft falling shower. That means he asks the rain, who are thou? Who are you? He wants the rain to introduce itself to the poet, which is trying to tell. The poet is surprised, and he feels, if we can believe it, that the so he says, tries to tell, give me an answer as we are translated. The soft falling shower, that means the rain, gave him an answer, and the poet here translates it for way people. I am the poem of the earth, said voice of the rain. So it was a voice that came from the rain, and it said, I am the poem of the earth. So, since the voice or the sound or words which we utter are the quality of human being, here the this quality is attributed to the rain. So, poet personifies the rain. Eternal, I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Eternal, I rise where I cannot be vanished. I rise forever. I will never end. Impalpable, that I cannot be touched. That when rain rises, as your science students, it rises in the shape of the vapor. When it goes out of the land, and it goes out of the bottomless sea. Bottomless sea is a hyperbole here used. Bottomless sea means it is exaggerated one. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed altogether changed, and yet the same. I rise towards the sky. Here, sky it shows the heaven, refers to the sky, whence vaguely formed, where I am formed not in a concrete manner, uh, not in a solid state, altogether changed and yet the same. But I am the same, I am the rain. I descend to leave the draughts. I come down to wash the draughts, wash the tiny particles on the earth, dust layers of the globe. I wash the dust layers of the globe. I wash the surface of the earth, which is dusty. So, and all that in them without me was seeds only latent, unborn. You see, if there are seeds sown to the earth, they would not germinate until the soil is wet. Soil becomes wet only when there is rain. And the rain says, and all that in them without me was seeds. They were only seeds. They were latent, they were hidden. Latent means hidden. They were unborn. They could not germinate. They could not take birth without rain. And for hour by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. Every day when I come back, I give actually life to my own origin. I give life to my own uh, earth where from I am born, and make pure and beautify it. I purify it, I beautify it, I make it beautiful. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering record or on record duly louder. Wise, this video doesn't get uploaded if it is too long. So I will make you explain these two lines in the second lesson. Okay, this will do for today. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much. You can have some explanation about the poem here also.